In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and sell a digital product using Gumroad. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur looking to share your work, Gumroad is a fantastic platform to showcase and sell your digital products with ease. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Gumroad website. Open your browser and type in Gumroad, or simply click the link provided in the description below. This will take you straight to their homepage where you can begin your journey. Once you're on the Gumroad homepage, the next step is to go to the Products section. You should find this option easily on the dashboard or navigation menu. Here, you'll want to select the New Product option. It's a straightforward process designed to guide you through setting up your new creation. This is where the magic begins. Now you'll see an option to choose the type of product you want to upload. Since we're focusing on digital products, select Digital Product. At this point, you're ready to upload your PDF file. This is your moment to shine by sharing your digital creation. Simply follow the prompts to locate the file on your computer and upload it. After uploading, it's time to input the necessary details for your product. This includes a title, description, and any other relevant information that helps describe your product to potential buyers. Be sure to provide a clear and compelling description. This is your chance to attract and inform your audience, so make it count. Pricing is another crucial step in this process. You'll want to decide on the price point that makes sense for your product. Consider the value your product offers and what your audience might be willing to pay. Input this pricing information as prompted. Once you've got your product details and pricing set, you're almost there. Review everything to ensure accuracy. This is key to providing your customers with a smooth purchasing experience. After confirming that all information is correct, you're ready to proceed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a digital product on Gumroad. Now it's available for your customers to purchase, and you can start sharing the link with your audience through various channels such as social media, email newsletters, or any other platform where you engage with your community. Remember, setting up a digital product is just the beginning. Promoting and engaging with your customers is vital to growing your presence and sales. With Gumroad, you have a great platform at your fingertips to manage and sell your digital creations with simplicity and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.